Ayun, dito na kami sa ano, no? Gajalarap.
Ha?
Sana na big street slide.
Dito na, kumpito na.
Tara na, sabay na tayo.
Tara, sabay tayo.
Let's go.
Sabay na tayo.
Hindi. Susunod tayo, hindi tayo sasabay. Mabibilis yan.
Ay, hindi.
Sunod.
Siya, umi sila.
Sige, mauna na kayo.
Okay, go guys.
Sige, mauna na kayo.
Ride safe guys.
Tingnan nyo lang kami doon. Mauna sila tapos nanatalo doon, ano?
White hair and hat.
Good morning. Shoutout naman dyan sa Pilipinas. Pag-bike naman kayo dyan para tanggal mga arthritis, high blood, cholesterol, lahat na yan.
Dati, alika na natin.
Iwas-iwas ang alak, at saka yung isang, hindi ko na masabi.
Iwas ang alak, ako lang.
Ikaw naman.
Hindi, wala akong masabi.
Picture tayo.
Picture tayo dito sa ano. Katibayan to eh.
Ito sa birds. Orgil Arab.
Yan, interview mo si Brian, nagpa-vitamin C eh.
Oh, ayan. Si Brian, nagka-vitamin C.
Mga ano yan, pang...
Ano nga sabi mo sa mga grupo mo?
Ay, nato.
Ilan ba ang grupo mo?
Sabi itong nag-awak ng camera.
Rumimate. Larimate.
Yung Budol King. Yun, hari ang Kaya Greg.
Si Jempoy. Jempoy, shoutout sa'yo, Jempoy.
Hindi kita yung tangke. Hindi kita yung tangke.
Shoutout Nestle. Nestle, Jasmine, Nestle.
Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. The melody. It's smooth and sweet. Like honey dripping from my golden beat. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby. That I find when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade each beat. My spirit's searching, and the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby. That I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Something else, smoking, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be apart. Sun kissing me, feeling so alive. It's all around me. Let's drive to the waves crash on the sand. As I ride the vibe.
Waga. Video ba? Video to, video.
Video to karap na.
Naka-video tayo, kakarap na lang.
Wala pa.
Wala pa nga eh.
Green lang yung inom. Go!
Dreams was nice, light up the sky.
Good morning!
Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing like the rivers alive. I'm the king of this groove, can't you? Down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fire. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Didikit sa peloton yan eh.
On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
I remember when we were staring photos. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photos. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah.
Next bike. Father. Ah. Uy, si Boss Toyo. Boss Toyo!
Hindi pa nila yun. Kinukuha nila ng magandang bus.
Alright. Here we are. Kami yung mga finishers. Mga ka-safety. Na-jempo yan tayo.
Si Alex, kasabay mo, no?
Ayun na nga mga ka-safety. Na-picturean na. Na-videoan na nga mga ka-safety. Naiiri pa. Dito kami ngayon sa next bike. So ngayon takbo naman kami ngayon. Takbo. Kami ngayon. Duwatlon. Wakaton. Ayun sila. Oh my God. Okay na, 3 meters.
No secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets. You say it's hard to do just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see behind my smile. I'll say whatever you want, let you walk in my heart if you want to. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess. I'ma tell you all my secrets. You can ask me anything, no walls between us, ain't no mess.
Good morning. Ito lang sa bike. Ano ito? Takbo, run! Bike!
Duwatlon to eh.
No secrets. Wanna show you all my feelings. I'm not good at keeping down no secrets.
Tara na! Kasi mag-bike na lang tayo. Ulit ka pa? 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer naman. Jojo. Takbo ba?
Oo na. Ay, oo.
Hindi ko nakasalubong na.
Ay, hindi yata.
DR no?
Yes. Ready. Yes. Yo. Good. Yeah. Turn. You can turn here.
Here?
Yeah, you turn.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you
Yes, Eduardo, Eduardo.
Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Ilan na?
Please don't let me down.
Ayun o, lakas ni Oster.
3 kilometers sakto doon, no?
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around.
Oy, first ka mo yan. Medyo, ikaw yung first.
Rest lang, rest lang.
Oo, 3.3 happy na. 3.05. Oh, panga.
Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah. Please don't let me down. Yeah.
Well, I'm me, and there's no one I'd rather be. You can sit around and wait and see. For a moment, I'll be standing free. So hurry up and wait for me. Got a bag of chips by the sea. The sun is blazing down. I've got my smile now. Here's the thing, your chips will really make me sing. Come on, relax and have some chips with me. Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be. We've got time to take it easy. You always tell me to speed up, but slow down. I've been kicking my feet up and just going to town. A bag of chips in hand, I got nothing planned, yeah. Good treats by the sand, you know I wanna chow down. Oh yeah. So when you ask me if I'm gonna change, you ain't heard a word I said. I got just one thing I'm telling you. Come on, relax and have some chips with me. Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be. We've got time to take it easy. Ooh, a little R&R is gonna do me right. I'm gonna turn my brain off, ain't no work for me tonight. You know I'm feeling good, just the way I should, yeah. Some tasty trips in hand, got me in a chill mood. So when you ask me what I've got to say, oh, I'm so self-assured.